Hey, Mark Harbor from markharbor.com here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to be successful with affiliate marketing and the 3 things that you need to consider if you want to be successful building a business online. So stick around. All right, well, welcome here to my channel. If this is the first time you've been here, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that little notification bell. I make videos all about affiliate marketing, network marketing, making money online, and online business, driving traffic, leads, and sales to your offers, and I don't want you to miss any of my content, all right? So let's dig in. Let's talk about affiliate marketing and how to be successful with it. So let's talk about point number 1. All right, point number 1 is you've got to have targeted traffic to a targeted offer. So the first thing to understand is a targeted traffic to a targeted offer. So how do you drive traffic? Well, obviously there's a myriad of ways on how to do that. You can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, Google AdWords, article marketing, you've got solo ads. There is all kinds of things that you can do to market products and services. I am a huge proponent of building an email list. If you're not building an email list, you absolutely should be. It's one of the #1 things that you need to do if you're building a business online. But targeted traffic to a targeted offer. Now, here's where a lot of people make a big mistake when it comes to understanding how to make money online. They, a lot of times, will go to these vendors and they'll sell you, 10,000 clicks for $20. And believe me, when I first started on online 10 years ago, I used to do that as well. I'd spend money. I'd have people, create or send traffic to something, and I got no results. So I'd get a whole bunch of clicks and nothing would happen. It's because what that is junk traffic. There isn't people that are actually searching for that. There's people that haven't taken an action on possibly an ad that you put up on Facebook. You see, when people take an action, when they're interested in something, that is what we mean by targeted traffic. Random traffic, just people hitting a website, is not targeted because it all comes down to user intent. It comes down to the person and what is their intent when they come to that website. If a person comes to a website and they have no intent on buying or no intent on looking at what you're offering, they are not going to take action. It's just as simple as that. So once we figure out how to get targeted traffic via user intent and understanding the user intent, they get to the page, they see something that strikes their interest based upon their intent. And the way I do this, typically with user intent, is I always like to put my head in the mind of my prospect. That is my #1 thing. I want to get my head into theirs. What are they doing? When they go on Facebook, what are they doing? They're scrolling their newsfeed. I know that I can target people on Facebook based upon interests. And if they have an interest, then I've got to do something that grabs their attention and gets them to take a look at what it is that I'm offering. That means I'm grabbing them. I've created a user intent on Facebook. They go there to take a look at what I have. That is targeted traffic to a targeted offer. So very, very important. Just traffic alone is not going to do it. You've got to really drill down, get into the mind of your prospect, figure out what it is that they want, what do they desire, and put it in front of them. I've seen people where they've actually sent 10,000 hits to a link and they get maybe 5 or 6 email opt-ins. But I've seen people send 500 hits to a website and they get 200 or 300 opt-ins to their list, or they are, the reason they're getting that is because they understand user intent, they understand targeted traffic to a targeted offer, and it makes all the difference in the world. So this is the very first point that you want to understand when it comes to how to be successful with affiliate marketing. All right, so let's talk about point number 2. Point number 2 is you've got to understand this is going to take work. Earlier I talked about how I saw this comment on a YouTube video, and this person was really kind of upset in a way. They were upset that they actually had to put some effort into it. And it was pretty obvious just by the way that the comment was phrased. But here's the thing. Nothing in life is free. Period. End of story. If you want something, you've got to work for it. Creating content, putting value out into the marketplace is something you're going to have to do if you want to create a successful business. I don't care if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, top tier, whatever it is that you're doing, you've got to put effort and work into it. Okay, so if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you've got to understand this takes work. You may not make money the first 6 months you're in business. Does that mean it's a scam? Absolutely not. Okay, so you've got to be in the right mindset, understand that this is going to take work to do, and put a plan in place to go out and actually achieve it. So this is a very, very important point to understand if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing. All right, so point number 3, and it kind of ties into point number 2, but understand there is no magic pill when it comes to affiliate marketing. There's no magic pill. You see, one of the things that we get sucked into, and believe me, I've been sucked into many of these offers before, is understanding that there's this magic ingredient that helps people to be successful. I'll tell you, it takes hard work, dedication, and a desire to go out there and achieve something great. So you have to understand that there's no magic pill when it comes to being successful with affiliate marketing. There is no magic pill. So my suggestion is to build a list. That's the one thing that you really, really need to do, because if you build a list of interested people on a particular niche or topic, anytime you have offers, you can re-email them. If you're doing Facebook marketing, you can use Facebook Messenger to do that, through Messenger bot marketing. There's all different kinds of ways to do it. But the truth and the reality of it is that if you truly want to succeed, if you truly want to be successful with affiliate marketing, then you've got to understand there's no magic pill. It takes investing in you, and it takes investing in your skills to learn it. I've been doing this for 10 years now, and about 6 of it have been full-time. So I understand what it takes to be successful with affiliate marketing, and I know that you want to be as well, no matter what your business model is. All right, so I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, because every time I put out a new video, you're going to get access to that. Go ahead and check in the description of this video. I've got some really cool freebies down there for you that you can check out. And I hope you got some value from this, and feel free to share it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.